Okay guys, doing a quick review on this little pump I just got, the Pro Bike Tool. I'll put a link down below. I actually really like this one. It's my second one. The other one got wasted, destroyed. And this is a new to me Turbo Levo Expert. Really enjoying, but here you go. What I like about this one that's slightly different, if you can see this, I'm trying to make sure I can film in the right way, is this two-part valve system. The red one is what dials in and presses the needle. The silver one, twist that, is what mates it up to your stem and creates the seal. So you back the red one off so you're not letting air out while you come and go. So I'm going to back the red one out so I'm not pushing the pin or the needle. I'm going to screw it on, get it tight. See if you can see this. Create my seal, nice finger tight, nothing crazy. And then I can screw the red in and I'll break the seal and you can see the pump starts to activate here. Okay, so I'm reading like 80 pounds. I'm supposed to be right around 90, I guess, but I didn't like that. It was a little firm for me. So I'm backing it off to 80, which is good, but I'll just show you the other little benefits. This little red valve, you probably know that already, is to release the air so I can pop that, let a few pounds out. This little handle breaks down so you can store it nicely. You pull it out, it cocks over to create a handle like that. I like that. So I can throw a few pounds in quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I'm back up above 80. I'm going to let a couple pounds out. Ooh, good shot. Okay, remember we're supposed to pump the forks while we do this to equalize the chambers. So I'm going to pump my forks. Spread that air around inside the chambers. Go back, take a reading. And I'm good. I'm going to leave it there, if you can see that. And so what I do first is back out the red. Can you see my fingers? I can't tell where I'm looking. Okay, here we go. I think that's it. Let me back up a little bit. Okay, back off the red so that I am not bleeding air when I back the whole thing off. And then I can take the whole thing off with the silver. Okay, that's the gist of it. Really like this little tool. It's pretty affordable. It's got nice storage features. Pop it back together and you're good to go. So hope that helps you guys. Appreciate any likes and subscribes. There'll be a link down below. Those little notches are 20-pound notches. Talk to you guys later. Thanks again.